Also, at the same time, when they manufacture this, they used to make small street motorcycle that was really cool, and I have a lot of those. I collect them. I have about 50 of them, and they still ride really cool, and I hope that some company will make them. Now, that being said, this video is just to show you the difference between the two bikes, but we're gonna need to go out and run them together with some of our friends and see which bike can run better. This riding very good for beginners out of the box. This you really need to learn and need to know how to run RC in order to do that. This bike is, as soon as you get into stability, it will be very stable, but you have to get them, you have to catch the straight line, keep it, you have to get used to how the steering work. Over here the steering system is direct into the fork system, and here you have the dampener that actually help in a very high speed turn. You can actually take high speed sharp turn and not really flip it so easily. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and I'm gonna do a couple videos. I'm gonna start being more active on doing like better videos and explain more stuff. We also have over there like donate. If people want to donate any money for some of the videos, we can buy more stuff and eventually give you whatever we are actually buying. We're gonna give it as a raffle for people. So the money that you guys is gonna donate gonna be so we can get more items. We are a hobby shop, but we pay for those things from our own pocket. We're not getting sponsored by Horizon. We're not getting anything from them in order to do those videos, so we have to pay for everything. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and of course we have those right now in stock, 3 different colors, so you're more than welcome to come and see them. Bye.